Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 25. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Launch your SolidWorks software, click on New, select the part, and then OK. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. First, we analyze the diagram and decide the steps. At the start, we select the front plane, and make this complete profile according to dimensions. Then extrude this up to the given dimensions. Next, we make a rectangle to cut out according to the diagram from Solid. Also, make these sketches for cutout. In the end, we will be done with these two edges filleting according to the radius. Our model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the front plane for the sketch. Start the sketch with the center rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle from the origin point. 72 mm width of the rectangle, and 84 mm length of the rectangle. Next, take the line tool. Start to draw a straight line from this line. On the left side 32 mm. Then, draw 32 mm straight line to the downside. Draw 24 mm straight line to the left side. Then, draw straight to the upside up to this edge. Make sure do not place endpoint on this reference line or snap points. Take Smart Dimension tool, and set dimension between this horizontal line to this bottom line. 32 plus 32 mm. Also, the check dimension between these two vertical line is 28 mm. Take Circle tool. Draw a circle from the midpoint of this line to the end point, such as a diameter of 24 mm. Take the Trim tool and trim unwanted edges from the sketch. Like this. Now our profile is done. Take Extrude tool, and enter the extruding value 56 plus 24 mm. Next, select this face for the sketch. Draw corner rectangle tool. From this corner point to this edge approximately. Set the dimension for the width of the rectangle. Calculate the value. 56 plus 24 minus 40 mm. We already set the length of the rectangle. Take Extruded Cut tool, and make cutout with Through All option, like this. For the next cutout, select this face for the sketch. Draw corner rectangle from this corner point to in this direction. Enter 56 mm width of the rectangle. For the length of the rectangle, we select the next point approximately on this edge. Once we take Extrude Cut tool, and enter the blind value 32 mm. Now we make these two cutouts. Select this face for the sketch. Take a line tool and draw an approximately triangular shape on this edge. Like this way. Take Smart Dimension tool. Set dimension for this vertical line. 24 mm. Set dimension for this horizontal line. 40 minus 28 mm. For another profile, draw a corner rectangle on this edge. Like this. 16 mm width of the rectangle, and 8 mm length of the rectangle. Set the dimension between this line to this top edge. 8 mm. Take extruded cut tool and make cutout with through all option. Take a filleting tool with a radius of 16 mm and select this edge. See the preview and click on OK. Once take filleting tool and this time set radius 32 mm and select this edge. See the preview and click on OK. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.